Industrial Bank was started in 1934 by Jesse Mitchell because blacks did not have a place where they could borrow. Hi, I am Patricia Mitchell, Executive Vice President of Industrial Bank, and this is my grandfather, Jesse Mitchell. He started the branch at 11th and U, and that was the mecca for black intellectuals, where they did business, where they enjoyed nightlife during the 30s, 40s, and 50s. The baton was passed to my father, B. Doyle Mitchell Sr. He remained president and chairman until his death in 1993. My brother is currently president.
I'd like to congratulate Ms. Patricia Mitchell of Industrial Bank for over 80 years of a legacy of service with one of the greatest banks in the country. My name is Lance London. I've been with Industrial Bank for over 15 years, and I'm here to tell you, they've definitely worked with my company, and I've watched my company with the association to Industrial Bank grow immensely.
We have 8 locations, 6 in the district and 2 in Prince George's County. Today we're at our Anacostia Gateway location here at Martin Luther King and Good Hope Road. We are a full service bank. We do loans, commercial real estate, church loans, residential loans, all different types of loans. We do a lot of work in the community. I'm very proud of all the work that we do in the community. We work with the Collective Empowerment Group, which is a group of churches in the district in Prince George's County. We work with Operation Hope and do a lot of financial literacy and financial empowerment with the seniors, as well as the United Planning Organization. We spend countless hours at schools and work in the Ethiopian community.
At Industrial Bank, we are really all about access to capital. And as a commercial loan officer, I get to be on the front end of that. We are very focused on providing loans to small businesses, to women-owned small businesses, to other minority businesses, and we'll certainly utilize any number of available programs to assist us in making loans to businesses, such as those offered by the Small Business Administration. We're in fact a preferred lender with the SBA, and it's allowed us to help a number of folks. A government contractor who was on the verge of winning a new contract and wanted to ramp up and get prepared for those costs and needed a line of credit. We were able to use an SBA loan program for that. A licensed clinical social worker in Prince George's County who had been renting office space to see patients, see clients, was able to buy a building with some financing we provided through an SBA loan program, and now she's a place for her clients to come of her own, and as well as a space to train other licensed social workers. So we take advantage of those opportunities to help small businesses, and that's something that everyone in the bank is about. Patricia Mitchell will frequently be out and give me a call and say, "Hey, Maria, you call this woman. I talked to her. She just needs some information. She's not ready to apply yet, but I told her that, you know, she should talk to us at Industrial and just hear about the process, find out what it'll take to get ready." And we'll do that. It doesn't have to be an application or a need right then. Sometimes it's just information, because we recognize that one piece of access to capital is understanding how to go about it and how to prepare yourself to apply.
40 years after the bank started, we had our first woman on the board of directors. And since that time, we've had many women on the board of directors and in senior level positions. My father's right hand was Mrs. Massey Fleming, and she was the executive vice president and the CEO of the bank for over 20 years. But there's still not a lot of women in senior level positions in banking. When I went to a bank holding seminar of senior level positions, of senior level officers in 1993, in a room of 100, there were only 6 women, and people wanted to know, well, who brought their secretaries? And although that's been 20 years, there are still not a lot of women. More women are CEOs than in previous decades, but that's an area where there is plenty of room to grow.
You're a woman in business, whether you're thinking about starting your own business, you've been in business for a while, you're about to take to the next level, you're going to win this contract and you just know it and you need some additional funding to get you there. Come and see us. Call us, call me. We're happy to share information. We're happy to guide you through the process that's involved in getting that capital, that funding that's going to help you to grow your business. That's what we're all about in Industrial Bank, and we're invested in seeing other women businesses grow and reach their full potential as well.
It's always great when we look around ourselves and we see ourselves honoring women in business, if you will. In this country, women's had it so hard, and now to give them the glory and the respect, it's super exciting to me. And see a great woman like Miss Patricia Mitchell be honored, it does my heart well. Look at what she's done. Look at what Industrial Bank has done. I just want to say thank you and congratulations.